Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we are going to start our math workbook of class nursery. Now let's open the math workbook. Dear student, according to our planning, it's week 9. First of all, mention the date on the top and the day, whatever the date and the day is. According to planning, today we are going to learn our workbook page number 28 to 30. Dear student, it's page number 28. Again, mention the date on the top and draw today's weather, whatever the weather is. The topic is crossing 4 out. As in our previous lecture, we learned about the crossing 3 out, crossing 2 out. Now today we are going to learn crossing 4 out. It's mean to cross out 4 from the given number. But before, it's a story time. Ali eats sweets daily and he eats so many chocolates, candies and lollipops. Now he is having toothache and he promised his mother that he will not eat sweets and he will brush his teeth 2 times daily. Dear student, he is Ali. अली जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स कैंडीज़ वगैरह खाता था, जिसकी वजह से उसको टूथैक हो गया. बट अब उसने अपनी मदर से प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो ज़्यादा स्वीट्स नहीं खाएगा और वो 2 टाइम्स डेली दिन में 2 दफ़ा दांतों को ब्रश करेगा. नाउ over to the topic. It's crossing 4 out. To cross out the 4 number, the first one is 8 minus 4. Dear student, here the lollipops are mentioned. First of all, trace 8 in the box like this. Now count the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 lollipops. Now minus 4. It's mean to cross out 4 lollipops. As cross out the 4 lollipop. Trace the cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 4. 8 minus 4. Cross out 4 from 8. It makes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many lollipops left? 4 lollipops. Now trace the 4 in the box like this. The next one, it's 10 minus 4. First of all, trace the 10 in the box. 1, 0, it's 10. Now count the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lollipops? 10 lollipops. 10 minus 4. It's mean to cross out 4 lollipops. Now cross out the 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many lollipops left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Now write the 6 in the box like this. The next one, 6 minus 4. First of all, trace the 6 in the box like this. Now count the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lollipop minus 4. Cross out 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 6. Cross out 4. How many lollipops left? 1, 2. 2. Now write the 2 in the box like this. The last one you have to complete it with the help of your parent. Dear student, be an artist. Dear kids, can you draw your happy tooth? Here, also tell how you can keep your teeth happy and healthy. It's a picture of teeth. Now trace it with the help of your parents. The next one is crossing 5 out. After crossing 4 out, it's a crossing 5 out. Now dear student, it's a story time. Ladybirds, how many spots? 10 spots, and crossing 5 makes 5 spots. It means there are 10 spots on the ladybird and After crossing 5 spots, it makes the 5 spots. Now first of all, count all spots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 spots. Now cross out the 5 spots. Cross out these 5 spots. How many spots left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 spots, and crossing 5 spots make 5 spots. मीन्स कि हमारे पास 10 स्पॉट्स थे, उनमें से 5 स्पॉट्स को जब हमने क्रॉस आउट कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया, 10 में से -5 किया, तो इट्स मीन इट विल बिकम 5. Ladybirds, how many spots? 8 spots, and crossing 5 makes 3 spots. It means there are 8 spots, and after crossing 5 spots, it makes 3 spots. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots, and crossing out 5 spots. It makes 1, 2, 3. Now the topic is, the first one is 10 minus 5. It means there are 10 spots. First of all, trace the 10 in the box like 1, 0, 10. Minus 5. Now count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 spots. Now cross out 5 spots. Now cross 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many spots left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Now trace the 5 in the box like this. The next one, 8 minus 5. First of all, trace the 8 in the box. Circle again, circle. It's 8. 8 minus 5. Now count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spot. Now crossing out 5 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 4 spot. Now 8 minus 8. 8 spots, and crossing out 5 spots make 1, 2, 3. 3 spots. Now write 3 in the box like this. The next one is 9 minus 5. First of all, trace the 9 in the box, a circle and downward. It's 9 minus 5. Now count the spots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 spots. 9 spots, and crossing out 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Makes 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Now write 4 in the box like this. Now dear student, what are the color of a ladybirds given above? Circle the correct option. Now dear student, here the ladybirds are given. Now what are the colors of ladybirds? It's yellow and red. Now circle the red color and yellow color like this. Now dear student, the last one, it's your home task. You have to complete it with the help of your parents. The next one is recognition of numbers 0 to 20. Dear student, in our previous lecture, as we already learned about 0 to 20 number, and we also revise it, you have to write 0 to 20 numbers in these box. Now here the activity, circle the triangle shaped thing. Dear student, encircle the thing that shaped like triangle. The first one is, it's a milk bag. the next one gift box, then a tin, then a matchbox, and a last one is a cake piece. It's a now. Which one is just like a triangle? It's cake piece. Now circle it like this. Trace and color the triangle blue in the picture. It's also your home task. You have to trace all these triangles on following the dots and make triangle, and also use the color blue in these triangles. Dear student, it was all about today's working. Make sure your homework and your working with the help of your parents neat and clean. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.